Welcome to Code and Innovate YouTube channel. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about stack. Okay. So as we have seen in previous video regarding full and full array, so how we can able to insert an element, how we can able to delete. So array insertion and deletion part we have completed. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about stack. So in this, we are going to see about two operation. One will be push operation and another one will be pop operation. So before that we have to know what stack is and what is the order it will follow. So while taking stack, very simple concept there will be. For example, imagine there is one container. So in this I'm storing some data. Okay, for example, I have stored 1 and then I am storing some another data, let it be 2. After that I am storing some another data 3. So after storing all this in stack, so now if I try to take out this element in the sense, first what element I can able to take out from this container in the sense, this 3 only I can able to take out first. So what will happen? So first I can able to remove only 3 from this. So after removing 3, there will be 1 and 2 in my stack. So next after removing 3, now is it possible to remove 2? So like this we can remove one by one. So in this what order it is following in the sense, whatever we are pushing the data into the stack, so what element we have pushed at last, okay. So that only that particular element only I can able to take out first. So whatever element I am pushing into the stack will be push operation. Pop operation is in the sense taking out from my stack. This is what push and pop. So push is what adding the data, where pop is what deleting the data from my stack. So whatever elements at last we have entered. So last in will be first out. So whatever I entered at last, that particular data only I am taking out first. So last in, first out is the operation. The stack will follow always. So this is what push from this end and this is what prop from this end. So now there is one more variable we will consider, which will be top. Okay. So initially there will be no data in the sense my top will be in -1. So after that what I will do, I will increment my top to 0. So after incrementing my top, I will store some data. So if it is there one more data I need to insert in my stack in the sense, I will increment the top again by 1. So again I will store the data. So like this, whenever I need to insert some data or push some data inside my stack, I need to increment the top position. So at the same while removing, while pop operation, what I will do, I will decrement the data. So here now imagine there is 0, 1, 2. Okay, so there are 3 data there. So now if I try to remove this 3 from a stack in the sense, automatically top should be decrement to the 1. So while pushing the elements into the stack, we will maintain increment at the same time. Well, pop operation, what we will do in the sense, we will decrement the top variable. So this is how the logic it will work. So in this first question they have given is what in the sense, we are going to implement the stack using array concept. So in that first we are dealing with push operation. So here they are given one question, write a Java program to implement the stack using an array. Given an empty stack, push n values into the stack and print the resulting stack. While printing the stack, the elements have to be separated by space and nothing is printed after the last element. So at the same time, we have to read n elements, the array elements, and perform the push operation. So second is what? Pop operation. So first let's discuss about the push operation. So I have explained the theoretically what it is. Now let's see the coding part in Java. So if you are new to our video in the sense, kindly subscribe our channel. So in upcoming videos, we will post regarding data structures and what are the interview questions recently they have asked in colleges, in placements regarding that we will discuss. So here, see there is what I did in the sense, I have used a scanner class object I have created and then I'm getting the elements from the user with the help of next in method, and then I'm creating one stack array and top pointer. So it's very simple, just I am created one array and the name I have given it as a stack. So this is what array name. You can give whatever name you need, it is not mandatory that it should be stack. Okay, so any name you can give, just for easy purpose I have used it this variable. So next what I did, I have initialized my top initially in -1, because before after creating the array there will be no elements, right? So initially it is -1. So for push operation, what I will do, first I will ask user to enter how many elements they need to add in the stack. So according to that, loop will be iterate. So inside the loop, so now first data will be inside, it will come into the loop. So I will store the value in the one variable, and then after that I will increment the top. After incrementing the top, that particular value stored in that particular index position. For example, let's run this code so that it will be easy for understanding. So this is what, in the sense, this is as we used in array concept, same for accessing, for printing the elements we will use this for an if loop. Okay, so let's run this code for understanding in detail what is push operation. So first it will ask enter the number of elements to push into a stack. If I give 4, so 4 elements we have to enter. For example, 11, 12, 13, 14. So these are the 4 elements. So see, all the 4 elements I have printed with the help of this for if loop. Okay, so this is what stack push operation. So in let's discuss about pop operation. So in this what they have given, so like first as usual, first we will push the elements, after that only we can able to pop the elements from the stack, right? So while pop operation, your top should have to decrement. So in coding, what they have given in the sense, so first will be how we can able to push the elements. So this part we have completed. So pop elements, just we are asking the user enter number of pop operations you need. So whatever the user will be entering, so it will be stored in one variable m. So after that I am performing m operations, pop operations. So what I will do, just we have to decrement. Okay, so if I need to remove 2 elements from the stack, automatically my top should have to decrement by 2. That's why we are decrementing from the top value itself. So after that automatically remaining data will be printed with this help of for if loop. So now let's run this code. So again it will ask the user enter number of elements in the stack. So for example I am giving 4. So it will ask us to enter that 4 data, 11, 12, 13, 14. Now it will ask me number of pop operations we need to do. If I give 2, okay, so automatically what will happen, last in first out, right? So whatever last we have entered first, so 14. So this particular element will be popped, and next this 13 will be popped. So remaining data will be 11 and 12. Let's see. So see, these are the remaining data after we have popped operations. After we are using pop operation, there are the remaining elements will be 11 and 12. So this is all about stack. So in upcoming video I will post regarding few concepts. So thank you for watching. If you need any questions to discuss in the sense, you can post in the chat box, comment section. So if this is useful for you in the sense, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.